Assalamualaikum and good morning again to all of my students and the people and whoever like kids are watching this video. I hope and pray that you all are in your great health, you're feeling great, enjoying this even hot day because every day has something beautiful in it. Every day has so much to do and so much to give to others. So we should enjoy, and even summers have their own benefits and the winters have their own benefits. So right now we are in our literacy class, and we are learning about alphabets. So we will be doing the recognitions, and we'll be putting the alphabets in the proper place. So we will see whether we can do that properly, right? Or we need some more practice, right? So we will be doing first this one, N to Z alphabet fun book. Yes, all of you take out your alphabet fun book N to Z. Yes, and take out page number 42. Yeah, there are some pictures on page number 42 which you have to look very carefully. But first of all, open up the book, page number 42. Yes, can you see the pictures over there? Yeah, there are like 6 pictures over here. So first of all, you're going to tell me the names, and let's see if you can recognize the picture. What is this? Ostrich, yes. And what is this? Tiger, yay. What is this we did? Yeah, this is quilt, yes, quilt. Then we have star, we have pear, and we have zebra, right? So this says that we have to fill the blanks with the correct alphabet, with the correct letter. And that is the beginning letter, the first letter, the first sound of the letter, right? Sorry, of the word. So the first is, what do you see? What did you tell me? Ostrich. Okay. So ostrich, what is the first sound of ostrich? Yes, it is O. O is for ostrich, yes. O is for ostrich. Very, very nice. O is for ostrich. Right, okay. So, O. So what do you think will fit in over here? O. O is for ostrich. O. Yes, you're going to write here O. So, but you're going to write here small o. Small and capital are the same. That is only the size of O. So you're going to write here O. Ostrich. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Done? Okay. Now the second picture is, what is this? Tiger. Tiger. The tiger. What is this? The tiger. Yes. The is for tiger. What is the beginning sound? The. Yes. And what are you going to write here? T is for tiger. Yes, tiger. Very, very nice. Tiger. So you're going to write here small t. Yes, small t. Okay. Now the third picture is quilt. 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 Cook queen, cook quilt, cook quill, cook question. Yes, you're going to write here small q, right? Okay, you're going to write here small q. I hope you'll be able to write that. You know how to write that? Okay, so write here small q. You've done it? Okay, that's great. Now come up to this. Star, star, star. What is it? Star. Yes. What is the beginning sound? S, s. Yes. And s is the sound of S. So you're going to write here small s. Yes. Right here small s. Very good. Good. Okay, now this is pear. Pear. P, pear. Pakistan. Pigeon. Parrot. Right? P is for P. Yes. So we're going to write here small p. Very good. We're going to write here small p. Very good. And the last is zebra. 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 Z is for zip. Z is for zebra. Z is for zigzag. Yes. Right? Z. Yes. Z. So we're going to write here small z. Zig, zigzag, zig, zigzag, zig. Right? Good. Okay, that's great. So just turn the page and we will come up on page number 44. Yeah. All of you come up on page number 44. Yeah, there are also like a couple of pictures for you. Yeah. What is this? Umbrella. Yo-yo. Van. Robot. Very good. So there are like two alphabets given at the under the picture, right? Two alphabets, two letters under the picture. So we have to look for the right alphabet, right letter that starts with that. Right? This is umbrella. So we have U and you have T. Umbrella. Umbrella. What is sound of T? T. What is sound of U? Umbrella. Umbrella. So you are going to circle umbrella. Yes. Oh, sorry, you're going to circle U. Circle U. Umbrella starts with okay. Have you circled? Okay, good. Now look at this. What is this? When? What when? What when? What watch? Okay, that's great. What when? So you're going to circle we. That's great. Okay, we have yo-yo over here. Yo-yo. What is this? You. This is Y. Yeah. 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 Yach. And yeah. Yo-yo. Yeah, that's great. Yeah is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. So you're going to circle Y over here, right? Yes, very, very good. Okay, now we have robot over here. Robot, right? Robot. And what is this? S. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of R? R. R. R is for robot. R is for rocket. R is for, right? Raccoon. Okay, so you're going to circle R over here. Yay, that's great. Okay, that was easy, right? You did it so well. Okay, now please take out your alphabet fun book N to Z, capital N to Z. Yeah, put that back and take out capital N to Z, the blue one. Yes. And please open page number 38. We'll be doing two activities on page number 38 and page number 39. Right? Okay. Now, first of all, we will be doing the activity on page number 38. This is where we're going to do the activity. We have like a couple of pictures over here. Yes. Telephone, ways, nest, X-ray, yacht, whale. That's great. That is lovely. Now here we have to write capital letter, right? Okay, first of all, ways, ways, ways. Start with, we did that? Yes, we. So you're going to write here capital V. Capital V. Yes, right here, capital V. Okay. Easy? Okay. Telephone. Telephone. T is for telephone. So we are going to write here capital T, right? Capital T. Right? I wrote it a little farther. you write it over here near to E, right? That's good. Okay, so then we have X-ray. X-ray. We have X-ray. X, yes, you're going to write X. That's very easy. So write X over here, right? That's good. Then we have nest. Nest. Yes, N. So you're going to write here capital N, not the small n, because we're doing the capital ones. Right? The capital N. Okay. W is for watch. W is for whale. W is for what. Yes, we are going to, yeah, that's great. I know you know that. So you're going to write here capital W. That's good. Okay, the last one, that is yacht. Yacht. Yeah, what are you going to write here? Y. That's great. Great. But the capital Y. Okay? Capital Y. Okay, so you have all done. W is for waste, T is for telephone, X is for X-ray, N is for nest, W is for whale, and Y is for yacht. Okay, now you're just going to flip the page, right? Come up onto this page. Okay, so what do we see over here? Fox, 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 right? Now, fox is ox, right? Ox. So which is the missing letter over here? O, right? O is O. So we're going to write here O. Everybody, capital, yes, capital. Okay. Now, yak, yak. Yes, yak. So what is missing over here? A is for apple, yeah. Yak, right? Yak. Okay, then we have, what is this? No, we're not going to do fish. This is net, 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 for egg, for elephant, remember? So what are you going to write here? E, very good, but capital E, right? You're going to write here capital E. Net, net. Okay, net, right? Okay, that's great. Now the last is zip, 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 ip, zip, for ice cream, igloo, iguana, I, yes. You're going to write here, I, right? So we met all for fox, yak, net, zip, fox, Fox, yak, 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 net, 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 zip, Zip, zip. That's nice. Very well done. So you have done that, and that is really nice that you can recognize it and you can follow it, and that was really good. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you inshallah in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. So till we see each other inshallah soon, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.